too. Trust me baby boo, soze ngcoke tu. Soze baby, soze ngcoke tu. When I miss you, soze ngithule tu. When I miss you, sure this isn't changed too. Baby ngicela ungithande tu, ngicela ukuthanda tu. Maybe God was so good when he made us smile. All I miss is you by my side. Wanna be your man, not a friend. When I kiss your smile like a kid on the pram. Yeah, like I said I miss you too. All I need is you. Baby ngicela ungifake tu, ngicela ungithande tu. Ngicela uthando bu, IVC ungifake bu. Wanna spend my time with you, all I need is you. Trust me baby boo, all I wanna be with you. Tryna be your man baby, all I miss is you. Love me like I do, baby ngicela ungithande tu. Surely you the one that I love. Surely you the one that I call.
Don't wanna sit in silence. I miss you. Don't wanna sit in silence. Silence. Oh, oh,
Yeah.
no, no. Oh,
Chris.
oh, oh.
The problem seems to start when we sit in silence, tension past are getting shorter, fight each other about the damage that we've caused to each other. Cause we toxic with a passion where we wanna stay so bad, but we can't because you're hurting. Trust issues to fix themselves, taking hits to make it better. Say I'm losing so better when you ain't doing better. Try to talk it out, but in the end we end up getting madder. Where we wanna stay so bad, but we can't because you're hurt bad. I don't wanna be the one who always has to fix the damage, cause I got a heart too, and it's taking lots of damage. But now I really thought I would've gone to meet your parents, been say on my cool, and maybe start a family. I miss you, the real you, and not the one to be you. First surgery you on, you fell down without a fight, and it's hard to find a light when I know we in the right. But we should be catching flights instead of having these fights, yeah. I miss you.